So guys, the crypto markets are trading sideways due to the price action around Bitcoin and the consolidation taking place. If you guys don't mind, hang on, I'm at the drive-thru. Let me get my food real quick. Yes, ma'am. Don't worry, guys, I got my food. So overall, right now with the price action around Bitcoin and consolidation taking place, this has a few sectors in the crypto market starting to take off. Right now, L2s and AI crypto coins are starting to pop off really crazy. And I want to talk about the potential behind a few AI coins that are down significantly and the crazy X's that you can make anywhere from 4 to 5X all the way up to a 50X potential. So let's jump into the specific AI coins. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and check out the rest of my content. I'm a beginner in the crypto space, showing you guys my wins, my losses, and everything else in between. But let's jump into it. I got to get my food real quick, and then we'll go park and talk about the specific AI coins that are popping off, the X potentials, and what's currently taking off in the AI crypto space. All right, guys, we have parked and I got my food. Overall, I'm on my lunch break, still working a 9 to 5. Like how I said, I'm documenting my whole journey in the crypto space. But let's jump into the AI coins that are currently popping off. So right now, AI crypto is starting to get that next leg up. Meme coins were getting a lot of proper sentiment and price action prior to, this correction that we're seeing in, July and August and everything like that. And right now, the shift is going down to L2 coins and AI coins. Right now, there's a few AI coins that are down significantly. And if you invest into these coins, you can make some potential crazy X's pretty much where they're at right now. Overall, there's a ton of great projects in the AI space. All the big ones like the Near Protocol, Akash, FET, Tau, Render, all those coins I'm not going to be talking about today because those are only down around 50 to 60%, which you can still make crazy gains on those coins. But I want to talk about a few specific AI coins that are down around 70, 80, even 90%, and how much gains you can potentially make from them from where they're at right now. So guys, I got 7 coins I want to talk about. 7th one is the craziest, so stay tuned to the 7th one. But let's go ahead and jump into number 1. So the first project I want to talk about, guys, is Oxo AI. Currently, it's sitting at around 11 cents. All the coins I'm going to be talking around are AI coins that have already established their name in the crypto space. So all these coins, do your own due diligence, see exactly what's going on with them. But all these coins have strong sentiment, strong communities, and overall, they've already produced good results. So everything that I'm talking about today is AI coins that have already produced results. But as always, do your own research to see exactly what's possible. So with Oxo AI, it's currently sitting at around 11 cents. The all-time high for this coin was sitting around 50 cents. It's down around 79%. So if you were to do that math pretty much from where it's at currently to where we were sitting at prior to, this correction, which all these AI coins were, at the peak in around March and April. So just keep that in mind. I'm gonna be putting the charts over here to the side so you can see everything, but just keep that in mind. So overall, Oxo AI, you can make a quick 4X off of it from pretty much where it's at 11 cents, the all-time high being 50 cents. Currently, with the price predictions around Oxo, we have a 10 to 15X potential on this coin. People compare this coin to Tau and FET and a few other coins at the top peak, but the market cap is way lower and the sentiment around it is down right now. So if you take advantage of this, you can really get a quick 4X. And if we start to see a higher rip on this coin, you can see that 10 to 15X potential, possibly even more. All right, number 2, guys, is going to be Paal AI, another great established AI coin that a lot of people are talking about in the crypto space. It's currently sitting around 20 cents, which is, really crazy discount. The all-time high around April, March was sitting at around 85 cents. So if you were to invest in that coin right now and it was to go back to that price point, you would make a quick 4X off of that return. And like how I said, this coin is an established coin. It has already created a lot of sentiment in the crypto space. So I honestly have strong commitment in this coin. It's down 76% right now, and honestly can see it correcting really fast in the next coming months. So overall, that's the next one that is, in great potential right now. I honestly don't hold Paal AI, but I'm honestly looking to get a bag of it right now. I forgot to mention on the X potential for Paal AI is also sitting around a 10 to 15X. The lower X's is simply due to the market cap and how much money is already built within the coin. The ones with lower market caps have higher X potential. So that's pretty much where Paal AI is sitting. 3 is the Anyone protocol. Currently, this coin is sitting at around 95 cents. It had an all-time high of $3.97 around that April-March point, and it's currently down around 76%, which is really crazy. Honestly, this coin has around also a 10 to 20X potential, pretty much based on that market cap that it's currently sitting at. If you look at the price amount of, where it's currently sitting to where it was prior to all this correction taking place, you you can get a quick 4x off of this coin, 4 to 5x, just depending on the price correction that we see and, you know, the sentiment taking place. Overall, I've seen a lot of positive sentiment around the NE1 protocol, but at the end of the day, do your own research. It's down really significantly, so this is another AI coin where you can really get in on. 4 is GPU, NodeAI. Currently, right now, GPU, NodeAI is sitting at around 85 cents. The all-time high for this coin was sitting at around $2.69, so it's down around 70% as the making of this video. Currently, if you were to get in on that 85-cent price mark, you could potentially make a quick 3x from the all-time high of where it was sitting. I honestly see it as a top contender against FET and Tau, as well as Render, but at the end of the day, we won't see that price action until we see the correction in the markets. This is a great AI project that a lot of big influencers and a lot of big companies are talking about. So I think it's really good to look at that price action, take a look at that chart, and see what's possible with it. Currently, it's down like 70%, so there's a lot of potential for gains on that coin as well. Forgot the X potential on GPU is around that 10 to 15x as well. The market cap on this coin is a little higher than the next few that I'm going to be mentioning. That's why that X potential isn't as high. All these numbers are conservative. I'm being a conservative person in the crypto space. At the end of the day, we don't know what these marks are going to hit. These are just based off of current price action, previous price action, and overall what people think is going to be happening in this crypto bull run. 5, guys, is going to be Destra Network. I'm actually invested into this coin as well as the next coin that I'm going to be sharing. Destra currently right now is sitting at around 20 cents. The all-time high was sitting somewhere around 50 cents. So if you were to buy into this coin, you could only make around a 2x. But the sentiment around Destra is how it's a leading competitor to, you know, Acash, the Near protocol, as well as FET, Tau, and all these other coins. The progression with these AI coins comes in the technology that they're bringing to the space, and Destra has a lot of, you know, cloud computing, you know, AI software that it's revolved around, and currently they see that as a top contender to a lot of the top AI coins that we're seeing. That's why with this coin, they're saying that this can do anywhere from a 15 to 40x potential based off of the price action that it's currently sitting at. It also has a lower market cap, so it has room to grow. But at the end of the day, this is not financial advice. This is pretty much just based off of the price action that we're currently seeing with Destra and overall the potential that you can get out of this AI coin. Also, Destra's down around 59%. Not as much as the other coins, but has a lot more room for growth. Second to last coin, number 6, one of my favorite coins on this list is Hash AI. Hash AI is a strong AI project around GPU computing. They have been producing amazing results, keeping up to date with their community, dropping specific updates, and building during the time of everything crashing. Currently, right now, Hash AI is sitting at around 0.00073, and the all-time high was 0.00312. That's currently a 4x from where it's currently sitting at, and the price correction that it saw, you know, prior to April and March, whenever it was doing really, really well. Currently, right now, it's down 76%. This AI coin has had the most updates, the most growth, I honestly, that I've seen in the crypto Twitter sentiment and what everyone's talking about. I'm honestly really hyped to see what this team is bringing. They're still building and partnering with huge people. So this AI project has a ton of room to grow. The potential behind it, the X potential, is sitting anywhere from 10 to 40x potential as well, which is really, really crazy. These numbers at the end of the day are predictions based off of what we see take place with new projects in the crypto space. AI is a completely new sector, not completely new, but pretty new in terms of gains that they can make. So we honestly don't know the X potential behind these, but right now Hash AI is one of my most committed projects that I'm invested in currently, and you know, I'm really committed into this coin, and I'm still currently buying more as we see this dip. All right, guys, now the last one, the most craziest one on this list that is currently down around 90%. This is also the riskiest one because out of all the sentiment and everything that's going on crypto Twitter and pretty much. So guys, sorry, my phone overheated. I'm in my car recording on my lunch break and the sun was beaming in, so I guess it just stopped my phone for recording. So if you guys like my content, drop a comment, like, subscribe. I'm committed. I keep doing this. So overall, guys, the best project that you can currently jump into around AI coins that is down currently around 90%, which is really, really crazy with AI coins. Honestly, I'm really fearful around this coin though, just because it doesn't have as much strong sentiment in the markets as all these other coins that I've mentioned. It doesn't have as strong as the track record, and it also doesn't have, you know, that much sentiment in crypto Twitter, everyone talking about it. So right now, one intro is currently down around 90%, sitting at a price of 0.007 cents. And the all-time high was actually 7 cents, not 0.007 cents, 7 cents. So you can make a quick 10x on this coin if it returns back to the point it was at prior to, you know, this whole correction that's taking place in the market. Now, at the end of the day, this is a risky play because all these coins started really fresh at the beginning of the year, and this is one of those coins. It's down, like how I said, around 90%. So the X potential on this coin is crazy. You can make so much money off of this AI coin, but it's also a really, really risky play compared to all the other coins that I've already mentioned. All these coins in general are risky bets, but one intro compared to the rest, I think, is a really risky bet. But honestly, the X potential behind it wouldn't hurt to throw in, you know, $100, $200 just based off of what we're seeing with it. But that's pretty much what's going on with the top AI coins that I'm currently seeing, you know, the top gains that you can make with these specific AI coins. There's a ton of AI coins in the crypto space, a ton of top performers, top contenders that, like how I said, I didn't mention just because they're not as down as these other coins. And the coins that I still mentioned today have high commitment from a lot of people in the space. They have strong communities, they have strong sentiment and strong price action. So I'm currently looking at all these AI coins, seeing exactly, you know, what's the best bet and how much money I can make. Currently, right now, the AI sector is performing the best out of all sectors, you know, aside from L2s, just pretty much based off of this correction that's taking place with Bitcoin and in the crypto market. So overall, guys, those are the AI coins that you can make some crazy X potentials on. I do not want you guys to miss out on this. I'm going to make an update video talking about these coins and the price action and price predictions that I talked about from where they're currently sitting at to where they're going to be at, I know, in the next few months. Overall, you can make some crazy gains if you take advantage of opportunities like this. But if you're not looking for it, if you're not doing your research and seeing all that, you are really going to miss out. At the end of the day, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice by any means. I'm just sharing the news events that are currently taking place, the price action, and, you know, the results and the benefits I think you can pretty much take advantage of right now. Overall, AI crypto is going to be really explosive this 2024 crypto bull run. And if you're not taking advantage of dips like this, you're really, really going to miss out. But guys, I'm going to wrap up right here. I got to get back to my job. It is super, super hot. I want to turn back up the AC because I'm really, really hot. But overall, I have to get back to my job and I got like 5 minutes to eat this McChicken. Overall though, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and check out the rest of my content. I'm just a beginner in the crypto space, showing you guys my wins, my losses, my crypto portfolio, my perspective, opportunities like the one that we're currently seeing, and everything else in between. But I drop daily content every single day, so stay tuned for the rest of my content. I really do appreciate all the support that you guys show me on this YouTube channel. I've been seeing a dip with my YouTube channel, but I'm gonna keep dropping daily content to keep you guys updated as a beginner in the crypto space, and hopefully I can get past that point and help beginners that are just getting started. But I'll keep you guys updated. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.